In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can find a save file location on PC here in Forza Horizon 6. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, you do need to go ahead and open up your File Explorer. Once you go ahead and open up your File Explorer, scroll down on here and you need to find this PC section and then go into your Windows C drive. Once you're in your Windows C drive, scroll down, you're going to see an Xbox Games or an Xbox Game Pass folder. Go ahead and open that up and go into Game Save, then go into PGS. You're then going to see a few different folders in here. Go into your user folder right here. So this one that has this U, and this might not look the exact same for you. You might have different numbers, but go into these folders and you're looking for a folder that looks something like this. And once again, it might not be the exact same. It may look a little bit different. Don't worry, that's normal. Open it up though, and then go into containers routes. This folder is going to contain all of your account data, including things like custom routes, estates, garage layouts, and other saved content. For your main save data, scroll down, you're going to see user, and then you're also going to see backup user. These are the main save files. Open that up, and you'll see all of it in here as well. As you can see, we have all that campaign files. That's the full process. It really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.